So we talked about what a regression problem is and how it is different from classification problem. And we said that actually the structure of the classification problems is quite similar to the structure of regression problems. So you do the same things. You take the same steps. You split the data into training and testing set. And the method learns from here. And the method is evaluated on the testing set. The only important difference here is the evaluation metric. Okay? But before talking about the evaluation metric and in general how the regression problem actually works, let's talk a little bit about why supervised learning for regression problems. Let's review and recap what we have learned even earlier. So the same rationale behind supervised learning for classification problems. Either we want to be prepared for an upcoming event, or we want to intervene and change the path toward what is desirable. Okay, so for instance, if we forecast that our sales is going down, then we might reduce some of the costs. So this is the preparation, and also we might invest in marketing maybe to improve sales. Okay, to signifies sales. So this is the intervene or change of the path towards what is desirable, which is higher sales. Regression supervised learning methods have been invented because not all target variables are categorical, some are numerical. So the supervised learning classification problems are not covering all the problems that we might face. And the regression supervised learning methods are addressing or tackling those problems that have a numerical target variable, like prediction of temperature, prediction of sales, prediction of website views, marketing channel rate of investment or return rate, costs, rates such as unemployment rate or inflation rate. All of them are numerical variables, and this is why we use regression supervised learning methods, because with classification supervised learning methods we couldn't tackle these kind of problems. So we are good to go now to talk about the heart of the issue, the mechanism of regression problems, or the mechanism of the methods methods to tackle regression problems, and the actual difference between classification and regression problems.